Hi, the A is out to verify your Paga account with your BVN and NIN. So log into your account, and on the home screen, if you have not done it, you will see several options just as you have seen here. So you tap into BVN and you enter your BVN, you verify, just enter. This is just a random number I'm just typing here just to show you what to do. Then you click on verify BVN, so you click on submit. After that, if it is your NIN, you go to your settings. Under the account settings, you see the profile or login and security, so you can do all of these things. Just follow the prompts. After you have done all of this, you will be asked to take a selfie for a facial verification. So you submit your details and wait a few seconds for automatic confirmation. That's all. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.